Notes, it's free. It's free. You gain emails for free. No followers, you gain subscribers directly, and it's so easy. It's just the whole platform is built for you to grow. Maybe I can show you. Yes, maybe I can show you. I haven't really thought of showing you, but yeah, that's my feed, that's my home feed. And here I see a lot of notes, but basically I see the notes of people who I'm already subscribed to or I'm following. But then there's also people who I'm not subscribed to, and as you can see, out of notes you can directly click subscribe, and if I click that, my email goes to that person, and I'm already part of their subscriber list. It's that easy to gain subscribers on Substack, and that button is incorporated in pretty much all of the types of the content. And yeah, just recently Substack also launched the option to go live, so you could do a live video as well, and you can schedule that. And while you're live, you also have a button on your video where people can just simply click and subscribe. It's really, really easy. It's just social media done right. And also the beauty of Substack Notes is that you grow without having to sell or promote. I see a lot of people sharing notes that say, please read my content, please subscribe, or even worse, subscribe for subscribe. So if you subscribe to me, I'm gonna subscribe to you. That's really something that you don't have to do, because if you create valuable content, and if you create it especially in the way that I'm gonna share with you in this course, you're gonna gain organically convertible subscribers, and you don't have to ask for them. Besides, asking is not really a sign of confidence. You don't have to do that. You forget about this. No, you have to sound confident. You have to be confident. You have to believe in your words. Then and only then people will believe in you. It's the acquisition channel with the highest conversion rate, as I already showed you in the previous chapters. And it also, you also gain paid subscribers directly. Something to keep in mind. Virality is relative. So currently I would say anything, so the highest high of likes that we have seen now on Substack is about, I think, just about 30,000, so 30,000 likes per note, and we haven't yet seen millions of likes. Imagine what a note, but Substack is growing really rapidly, and I believe we are closing that momentum. We are getting there. Substack is really approaching this moment where we are gonna be able to see millions of likes, which you can already see on social media. Imagine that type of note with millions of likes. How many subscribers can you get out of it? I just want you to think about that for a moment and reflect on that question, and tell me, can you achieve that anywhere else on any other platform?